Hey everyone, this is Yushin. Welcome back. In this video, I wanted to show you how you can connect brooches to the back of your polymer clay. You can see that this method is very secure, and even if I pull on it, it won't fall apart. Just before we start making, you want to make sure that if you want to attach the brooch pin onto the brooch vertically, then the opening has to be facing down. This ensures that even if the brooch accidentally opens while you're wearing it, it won't be falling off your clothes. If you want to place the brooch pin onto the brooch horizontally, then you want to make sure that the brooch pin is placed on the top third. This prevents the brooch from tilting forward while you're wearing it, especially when it's very big. And next, let's start making. The brooch has to be baked first, and then I applied liquid clay to the back of it. Then a really thin sheet of polymer clay is attached to the liquid clay. Then I cleaned the back with some Q-tip and alcohol. And next I applied some more liquid clay onto the back. And I placed the brooch pin onto the liquid clay. And then I applied some liquid clay onto the brooch pin. Next, I took out a new color of polymer clay. And then I made it into a rectangular shape. Next, I placed this onto the liquid clay. Then I cleaned the back again with some Q-tip and alcohol to clean the fingerprints. And next, I'm adding some shapes to the back to make it look even cuter. This step can be skipped if you don't want to add any shapes to the back. And basically, I just drew out a heart shape. And then I filled the heart shape with some white. And then I pressed the white down. And then lastly, it is being cleaned with some alcohol and Q-tip. As I said before, this step can be skipped if you don't want any shapes on the back. And lastly, I poked holes on the back so that the green sticks to the white and makes it stronger. And then you will bake the whole thing again. And then look how strong and cute it is. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.